Today I'm going to show you how to make custard tarts. For the pastry you will need 200 grams of plain flour, 130 grams of butter cubed and at room temperature, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and about a tablespoon of water. So to your flour add your sugar and give it a mix until well combined. Then add your butter, and using the tips of your fingertips you want to press your butter into your flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. And then you want to add 1 egg white to the mixture and give it a mix. So the reason why we're doing an egg white instead of an egg is because for the filling we need 4 egg yolks. So rather than you having to use 5 eggs, you're only using the 4 and you're just using the 1 egg white for this. With your remaining egg whites you can always make something like a meringue. And then bring that together as much as you can do, and then start adding your water a little bit at a time until your dough has come together. And then flour out your work surface and roll out your dough. You want it to be quite thin. And then to a muffin tray, I have greased each of the holes and then laid a strip of baking paper across. The baking paper is to help be able to lift the tarts out of the case. And then using a cookie cutter that is bigger than your holes, you then want to cut out your pastry and line each hole with a circle of pastry. Then pop this to one side while we make our filling. So for the filling you will need 400 millilitres of full fat milk, 4 egg yolks, 50 grams of caster sugar and a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. To your egg yolks add your sugar and then beat these until it is pale and creamy. Then you want to add your milk, but you need the milk to be about body temperature. So I just popped mine in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time until it was warm enough. But yeah, you want it to be warm, but still you could still put your finger in it without burning it. Add your milk to your egg mixture and then just beat this in until well combined. And then you want to pour your milk mixture into each of the cases. I actually overfilled my cases slightly with this, so it meant that the custard actually came out of the cases and made it hard to remove from the muffin tray. So I would say don't fill it as much as I have. And then you want to sprinkle each tart with some of the ground nutmeg. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make custard tarts.